Adidas is gearing up to release the Anthony Edwards 2, IE2, basketball sneaker, officially debuting in early October with a retail price of $130. Dressed in a bold core black, zero metallic and lucid red palette, the shoe leans heavily on dark textile bases and plastic overlays, offering a sleek and modern update that recalls the Stormtrooper AE1 low, though less tied to its Star Wars inspiration. Ruby accents light up the Edwards signature logo and three stripes emblem, adding sharp contrast to the design. Beneath the shoe, a semi-translucent milky outsole reveals an X-shaped torsion system, emphasizing both performance and style for athletes and casual wearers alike. With official Adidas product photography already circulating, anticipation continues to build for this second installment in Edwards' line, set to drop just in time for the holiday 2025 season.